So hey guys, so I just cleaned my car and I was checking things under the hood, and look what I just saw. It's missing these 2 screws. Now I took this cover off not too long ago to double check that the actual filter was on tight, and I tightened them down, but somehow I guess these things wiggled themselves off. It's just I was surprised to see that, and you can see it moving around the lid there. So now I'm gonna reach out to Mishimoto, see if they can send me 2 new screws. If not, I'm just gonna take one of the other ones and go to the hardware store and match them up. So I just wanted to share this with you guys to definitely check them out. Like I said, I probably tightened it, or took the lid off to check the filter maybe 3 weeks ago, and now they disappeared. So I might even just go to the hardware store and get some better ones, because I don't like how these have that. You need I think it's the Allen head, or yeah, the Allen wrench to get them off. And it's hard to find if you gotta replace a filter. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So I might just go ahead and switch them out with just some Phillips head. So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys do have this intake, definitely check those out and make sure they're tight. Maybe every time you clean your car, whatever it is, but I would definitely check them, because I tightened them really tight when I did this. So I don't know if the heat, flexing the plastic, let them back off. I don't know, but like I said, I'll probably just end up going hardware store and getting some better hardware for that. Okay? So just wanted to share that experience with you guys. Maybe prevent you guys from losing some screws here, or maybe just swap the hardware out. So a little peace of mind. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Have another video coming up shortly, and I'll catch you guys next time.